Good evening to each every one of you. I know it's raining and we're having a typhoon. Hi Grace, how are you? Napanood mo na ba?
Yes.
Hi. I'm gonna watch Jurassic Rebirth. Jurassic World
Jurassic
Rebirth in
Atmos 500.
Atmos. May pwede mo kayo discount?
Anong discount? PWD?
Ikaw bahala ko ano. Huwag mo PWD. Gawin naman, ang lakas ko pa.
Yun lang pwede di-discount.
Grace! Ay, sorry ah. Can I have ano? Can I have discount? Hindi? Okay, sige. So, no discount for tonight. You know what? They increased the price from 430. Now it's already 500. Anyway, I have my Netflix. So I need to catch up with tonight.
Select it, sir.
Eye level.
Eye level, J.
Oh, sige. May naka-ano na. Sige, okay yan na pindot mo.
J7 po.
Hindi. Hindi to.
Ay, sorry.
Yan. Oo.
7, J7. I receive 500. Tingnan mo. Cinema 15, ma'am. Kasama na pong popcorn.
Okay.
10 na lang.
Thank you so much. So here it is with free popcorn. I supposed to watch this on a 3D format, but sad to say, there's no 3D in Mega Mall. That's why. So I'm gonna pick my free popcorn. Get my free popcorn. I have all the time in the world for tonight, guys, and just to watch a movie. Thank you. Oh gosh, there's a sound in there. We might have a copyright playing. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Do you still have hot dog? Hi. Hi ka naman dyan.
Hi, sir. Hello.
Hi, madam.
Sino mo pa talaga?
Yes, para makita ka. Ayun. Bye for now.